Hello everyone, welcome to this class. In this class, we're now in chapter 3, and we're going to deal with numerical processing 2, which we have to deal with fraction, decimal, percentages, and number bases. So for the first page, we're going to solve some revision exercises. As you can see, before we start. Now, this is exercise 3a, and we're being told to find the number of cm in the following. Now we are given 1 over 2 of 1 meter and 7 over 10 of 1 meter. As you can see, how many meter makes 1 centimeter? We know that 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. So we know we are already dealing with, there are two ways you can do this. Either you multiply out by the half and then convert to centimeter, or you convert to centimeter first and then multiply by the half. So in this case, I want to first of all convert to centimeter. So we already know that this our 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeter. So now we are looking for what half meter is. We simply do 1 over 2 times 100 centimeter, which should give us 50 centimeter. Let's solve for the second one. We already know from this our first example that 1 meter makes 1 centimeter, so makes 100 centimeter. So we are dealing with 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter makes 1 meter, so this is 100 centimeter, and we are looking for 7 over 10 of it. So we simply multiply by 7 over 10 times 100, and this will give us 70 centimeter. This is the answer. And also this is the answer. So the number 2 of exercise 3a says find the number of minutes in each of the following. As usual, first we convert to minute, then multiply by the fraction. How many minutes make 1 hour? We know that 60 minutes makes 1 hour. 1 hour. So to get 2 hours is simply 2 hours will now be equal to 60 times 2, which should give us 120 minutes in short form. So we now solve. For E, we have 1 over 20 times 120 minutes. Cancel, 0. So we are going to have the 1 over 20 fraction of 2 hours will be what in minutes? Okay. It will be 6 minutes. For number F, we now have 2 over 15 times, since we have the same 2 hours, so we are still dealing with the same 120 minutes. 120 minutes. Don't need to write it here. So if we do this calculation, we get 16 minutes. Let's do one more where we have, this is number C. We have 1 over 10 of 1 hour. In this case, we have something, 1 hour is what, 60 minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So we simply do 1 over 10 times 60. We have 6 minutes. So we are now in number 3. Find the number of seconds in each of the following. 1 over 4 of 1 minute. How many seconds makes 1 minute? 60 seconds makes 1 minute. So 1 over 4, we are solving for A. So 1 over 4 minutes will be, we've converted it to seconds. So we'll now multiply 1 over 4 times 60 seconds. That will give us 15 seconds. Then for F, we have 3 over 8 of 2 minutes. 60 seconds makes 1 minute. Therefore, 2 minutes will now be 60 times 2, which is 120 seconds. So we'll now multiply by 3 over 8. Then we have 3 over 8 multiply by 120, we are getting 30 seconds. Number 4, we are being told to find the number of grams in the following. So now we have kg. How many grams makes 1 kilogram? 1000 grams makes 1 kilogram. So in this case, we are going to now deal with this to be 3 over 10 times 1000 grams, which should give us 300 grams for the first one. And for the second one, we are now dealing with 2 kilograms. So if 1000 grams makes 1 kg, therefore 2 kg will be 1000 times 2, which is 2000 grams. So that's what we are going to deal with. It will be 69 over 1000 times 2000. The answer will give us 8 times So in this class, we are being told, in each of the following, express the first quantity as a fraction of the second, given the fraction in the lowest term. This simply means when you have when you are dealing with fraction, it must be in the lowest divisible term. So we are told that we express this as a fraction of the first value, expressed as a fraction of the second value. So I'll give you a simple hint on how to do this. Number A, we have 15 seconds and 1 minute, right? So the best way to go about this is convert the second one to the first one and divide the first one by the second one. Very simple. So that you get a fractional expression. In the first one, we have 15 seconds and 1 minute. How many seconds makes 1 minute? 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. So this our 1 minute is now 60 seconds. You just divide it. You have 15 over 60. Okay, let me put it there. Therefore, 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So this divided by this over 60, we have 1 over 4. That's for the first answer. For number C, 10 minutes and 1.5 hour. How many minutes makes 1 hour? Just 60 minutes equal to 1 hours. So next thing is, so you if 60 minutes is 1 hour, so 1.5 hour will be 1.5 times 60, and you have 90 minutes. If you do the calculation, you will get it. So I don't need to show it here. So you simply do 10 over 90, you have 1 over 9. This is the lowest fraction. Nothing can divide further, so we are satisfying the second condition. So the next one we are going to deal with is number D. We have 25 cm and 3 meter. How many centimeter makes 1 meter? 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. So 3 meter will be 3 times 100, which is 300 centimeter. So we divide 25 by 300. So 25 over 300, we are getting 1 over 12. See how easy it is. Just convert the second one to the value of the first one, then divide it, you get the fraction. Let's go to number, we just finished this one. We are going to number E. We have 40 naira and 100 naira. Because both of them are in the same unit, they're in naira and naira, so nothing to do, just divide it and you have 2 over 5. Let's go to the next one. The next one is 5 days and 5 weeks. So that is G, 5 days and 5 weeks. So convert 5 weeks to 5 days. How many days makes 1 week? 7 days makes 1 week. So 5 days, 5 weeks will be how many days? 5 weeks will be 5 times 7, which is 35 days. So you divide it, 5 over 35, which is 1 over 7. Very, very simple. The next one you are going to do is H, which is 803 kilometers. So H, 800 meter, 3 kilometers. How many kilometer makes 1 meter? 1000 kilometer. 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer. So 3 kilometer will be 3 times 1000, which is 3000 meter. So you just divide it, 800 over 3000. Cancel, 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 cancel. You have 8 over 30. 8 over 30 divided by 30, you have 4 over 15. So this will be the last exercise we are going to do in this revision class. So we're going to start the next class in the next video. Thank you. If you have any comment, any question, leave it in the comment section.